Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mawa Cake, where we are going to be using milk powder, or you can even optionally use Khoya or Khava in it. And let's get started. I'm super excited bringing this recipe after a long time. Enjoy and let me know how it comes out for you. This recipe we're going to need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I have my 1 cup mug ready with that measure. Then I also am going to add milk powder, 2 tablespoons here. Baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon. A pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of ghee. And ghee is the one that is making this recipe really delicious. And of course milk powder. I'm going to also add 1/4 cup of milk here and half teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's stir it up. Let's give it a big stir and add sugar. I'm going to add light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons, but if you don't want to add it, you don't have to. Here you go. Let's stir it really well and now microwave it for 1 minute 30 seconds. This is the quickest you can make it, Mawa Cake, and then you can add ice creams to top it off and your quick ice cream with mug cake is ready. I haven't added ice cream here, but this is how you can enjoy it.